Okay, so I just got my newest album in the mail, so let's open it up. Alright, so they gave me BTS freebies. Oh, and 101. Alright. That's funny. Okay, so let's check out the poster. I believe it's random. Oh, I got the group. I'm not sure if they're member or group, but here's the poster that I got. And here's the album. I got the version 3 because JR is my bias and he's on the cover. So let's open this up. It's thicker than I thought it'd be. Heavier. Ugh, my nails are not working. So I'm not sure. Here's what it looks like. Side. Do a quick flip through. I'm not sure where the stuff is. Okay. Okay, it should be... Oh, here's this poster. Let's look at it first. This is not random, I believe. Each version has a different one, though. The lyric poster. That one. And the photo cards. Let's try to take them out first. Oh, there they are. Right. Okay. Let's look at the album really quick. Oh, he looks so good there. Pages are pretty thick. Nice quality. Right. Oh, I like that it has this thing. Here's the CD, which I'll never play. Alrighty. Now let's look at the photo cards, which I'm most nervous about. It's the first one. Oh, yay! JR! That's lucky. And then the second one. Oh, it's the group one! That's good. So I got everybody. That's nice. Okay, thanks for watching.